divine masculine in female body, and I'm a student of Jeffrey Shilia's twin flame ascension classes and life purpose classes. And I have been their student from 3.5 years, and I have been making videos to share with you what I have received from this teaching and what all healing I have done on my journey. And today I want to touch a topic related to twin flame hurt. Like, are you experiencing constant hurt and pain when you are healing or moving through your separation? And do you believe that this hurt and pain is everything, and that's all you are going to experience in this relationship? And at times it becomes so heavy that you feel like I just want to give up this journey. I really do not want my twin flame. There is no truth to love. This is all thing comes up because this is what is illusion. This is how ego tries to stop you or pull you back from pursuing your own love. So this is how it feels like, right? So ego is always going to tell you that don't go there, don't heal, don't love. This is how ego is going to tell you. Ego is always going to tell you wherever you are at, you are comfortable. You can take shortcuts. Shortcuts are always triggered by the ego, or it is always commanded by the ego that take a shortcut, that I'm feeling hurt or I'm feeling pain, so I'll numb out, I'll take some medicine, or I will take some alcohol, or even I will just go out and or find out another partner and settle there, right? Everything is possible. You can choose anything. You have the free will, right? But what happens is when you choose love, when you choose your divine partner, you actually liberate this hurt and pain that you are experiencing. It's just coming off for healing. This is not the truth of a twin flame harmonious union. No. In your twin flame harmonious union, you are going to constantly experience love, peace, and harmony in the relationship, right? That is the truth. So that becomes very dreamy, right? When you are actually in the pain and in the hurt, that feels like, is that really possible? Is it really going to happen? Questioning that is okay, but giving up loving yourself is not at all okay, right? It is like you are choosing to abandon yourself. You are actually choosing to abandon your journey, choosing to abandon your healing, and choosing to abandon yourself. So this is how it is going to feel like. So you can do all that thing, but what happens is it may feel good for a day or two, but after that you are naturally going to come back, because there is nothing happening outside. Everything is within you. The pain and the hurt is within yourself, right? And then when you are coming in contact with your twin flame, so it is getting intensified, right? That's why you feel that heavy trigger, you feel that so much deep pain in your heart. It is all because it is there within you. So then the fundamental thing is, it is everything is coming back, that you choose to heal, right? How you can heal? You can very naturally heal with mirror exercise, right? So when you are experiencing this, that my twin flame is hurting me, so simple mirroring statement is, I am hurting myself, and then choose to see the part within you which is feeling hurt. And then try to see which are the hurt that you are holding on to. There are few common hurt that twin flame in the consciousness people are holding on to. Those are simply like could be a childhood trauma, can be constant experience of abuse by the narcissistic parents or any other narcissistic relationship, okay? Even any other narcissistic partner that you might have experienced in the previous relationship. So from all those relationships where you have experienced hurt, because you believed somewhere that love hurts, right? And then you constantly held on to it, like as if even if the relationship actually hurting you, but you held on to it with a belief that someday it is going to turn out in love, but then it never turned out that way, right? And then you actually kept yourself in that hurt relationship, and then you constantly created that wound within yourself, right? And then when you are actually now meeting your true twin flame, who is actually here with you to love you completely, here he is here with you to actually experience that life with you in the creation of your life purpose and service, service to the world. But all that you are experiencing is that hurt, and it becomes very difficult that is it really love? Is he really here to love me? Is this what love feels like? Everything that you are asking or questioning is correct, right? Where you are at now, you are actually in that unhealed state where you are constantly experiencing that hurt. So only thing that is healthy at this moment is choosing to heal. If you are not healed within, in your soul, in your heart, then it becomes very difficult for your twin flame even to feel that feel that hurt. You cannot feel that hurt or heal that hurt with your twin flame's love. No, it cannot happen that way. You can only heal your hurt by loving yourself, right? So there are different methods you can use. I have used like map for myself. Even I have constantly gone through healing, twin flame healing with my coach, right? Because my core choice was I want to heal that pain and that hurt that I am experiencing. I don't want to live in that pain and hurt and then constantly seek for love outside of myself, right? That was very exhausting for me, that constantly I need my twin flame so that I feel good, because it was for my within myself I was so hurt, and then in that space I feel so alone, as if like I'm completely all the essence of me and everything is sorry taken from me, and then all that remained with me is hurt and pain, and I have to just live with it. So that was the scenario, right? But today when I have come across a lot, all that I'm seeing is that deep sense of love and peace in my heart, right? In this moment when I do not have my twin flame with me, am I really feeling love and peace, or I am constantly in that chasing energy that I need you so that I feel good? No, I am very much at peace, and I'm pursuing whatever God is asking me to do right now, and I trust that all this through all this process God is taking me closer to my twin flame only, right? So this is how is the natural divine process. This is how it is your twin flame journey is going to unfold. All that you need to do is, are you within yourself feeling good in this moment, or there is any hurt, there is any pain? What are you doing to heal? You only your love has the ability to heal you. What are the choices are you making in this moment, so that you don't get into any experiences that can create more hurt in you, right? We need to take care of both. Like, first thing is, are we healing the hurt that was created in the past, and when we are experiencing that healed space within us, are we not making all those negative choices again and attracting relationship where we can get hurt again, right? So we need to take care of both, and all that can come through when you are deeply committed to your own healing. You are constantly embodying the teaching that is given by Jeff and Shelia, because you need to know the truth. What is the truth? And you are constantly walking on the path of truth towards God. That itself is going to take you closer to your harmonious union naturally, right? And we deserve to live a life with our twin flame in love and peace. We don't want to be in that hurt or pain, and then just mirror that or project that on our twin flame and make him run, right? We don't want to do that. We just want to experience a deep, intimate, passionate relationship with our twin flame, and heal with them and expand with them, grow with them, experience our abundance on the earth, right? All that good thing we want to experience. We don't want to experience this hurt or pain, right? So it is always good that you have the access to the best healing modality, right? All that you need to do is just choose it. It is yours, and heal it and enjoy your life with God, and God is naturally going to give you your twin flame. Okay. If you want to work with me, I have given my website. I'll be more than happy to help you. And thank you for watching my video.